Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by measuring precise spirits so balance is immediate. 2 Oz cognac and 1 Oz orange liqueur. Next, squeeze fresh lemon for acidity. You need 3/4 of an ounce, so taste as you go. Once measured, add ice to your shaker to chill quickly and wet the rim if you want sugar. This brightens contrast. Make sure to work efficiently now, because temperature and proportions set the drink structure and the rest of the build depends on them. Now you combine the liquids and create the texture you want. Add 3/4 of an ounce fresh lemon juice into the shaker with the cognac and liqueur. If you choose to add egg white for silkiness, dry shake first to emulsify, then add ice and shake hard for 10 to 15 seconds. This chills and dilutes correctly. Once done, strain the mix through a fine strainer into your chilled glass to remove shards and ensure a clean, smooth presentation that highlights aroma and balance. You finish by expressing a lemon or orange peel over the drink to release oils, then drop it in for fragrance. Alternatively, rim with sugar for a sweeter edge. Serve straight up in the chilled coupe or cocktail glass so the aroma meets the nose first. If the cocktail tastes too bitter, add a 1/4 ounce simple syrup. If it's flat or dull, a touch more lemon brightens it. Make sure to taste once. Tiny tweaks rescue nearly any issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.